If you see here is a garden view which comes as a first nice view where people are playing, chatting, you get senior citizens here. And then back of garden is a nice clubhouse view, which you can say a rooftop garden, and you can see people sitting, playing inside, gives a nice feeling. And at the back of the clubhouse is a nice mountain, which is a natural beauty of this place, where it's covered with the green plants and green coverage, and it's a nice feel.
Usually most of the times your dining area and living area, they both get into each other. This particular arrangement which actually attracted us and which actually made us think about going for this flat is the separation between the living and the dining area. So the most interesting part is the dining area. You can see it's a huge area which is available. We are thinking of having at least eight-seater dining table, so we all can have a dinner together or breakfast together on these tables.
The kitchen is quite a masterpiece, I would say, of the house. Well, there are a couple of things I have in mind which I would like to maybe just let you know that there's a lot of space outside where I'm going to have my pots. My little kitchen garden out there, I have a collection of pots which I'm going to put it there. Everything is very well structured and very well organized in the kitchen.
This is the third bedroom, which is the smallest one. We are going to make it ready for my in-laws, as they are regularly visiting my place. So every time when they used to visit, then we have to make some arrangement for them, and there will be some adjustments. So now onwards, we need not to do any such arrangements, and my in-laws can have their separate rooms. For whenever they come, they have their separate living arrangement.
As you pass by to the passage, the nice layout given by Courtyard is where you can put a puja ideally. We our sons, when they come, they will be occupying this room. This is a bedroom with an attached toilet and bathroom, and again on the west side in this particular flat, so that we have a nice view again from this flat.
So welcome to my space. Before we walk in further, let me just give you a little bit of a beautiful area that is being created by Courtyard, which is this walk-in wardrobe. So this is a space where I can just walk in and out and just alter my egos and play on when I get out of that room. So here's is the master bedroom. So we are looking at doing a very simple getup for this room. We're going to have the wardrobes. Of course, another beauty of this room is there's a lot of light coming in. The natural light this flows in is what floored me to move in and to look at Courtyard. We're going to have a double bed, of course, a television for the nights to be consumed for a while. Sipping tea early morning, having my bed tea is what I tend to do in this beautiful master bedroom.